Hello everyone, welcome back to CATIA UI training part 5. Let's finish the side of the cylinder. So I'm going to create another sketch on the same plane. So select sketch in this plane. Let's project this line. So select the line and go to project 3D elements. Now we have on yellow. So let's create a line here from the middle to the top. And now let's create a profile from here, 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 and here. And press escape to finish our profile. Now let's add the constraints. So select the line, select the constraint command, then the line, and change the value to 10 millimeters. And do the same for this one, to 10 millimeters. And a last constraint to get the distance from here to here, change the value to 20 millimeters. And delete the project 3D elements. You can see this element here on used edge on projections, mark 1. You can delete it here or select here and delete it. And after that, just exit the workbench. Okay, and now let's create another shaft. So select the shaft command, select our profile, select the axis, select preview. Now we have complete the side of the cylinder. With that, we are almost done with this part. So I'm going to show you how to hide things here in CATIA. One way is select for example, let's hide this line. Select the line, right click, and hide and show. You see the line disappear, but it not disappear, you just hide it. You can see the icon, how it looks like when it's hide. So let's change to the dark side of CATIA. We can see here we have the line we hide, this sketch, the other sketch, and the final sketch we make. To change to the visible, just click this icon, and this icon here is to hide and show too. So if we select the line and click the icon, we're going to get it back, the line. Another way to hide is on the tree. You can select, right click, and hide. Okay, after that, let me hide all the plane, hide and show. To select various things at the same time, just click on the first one. You can use Shift or Control to select various things. You use Shift, just click the first one and the last one you want to select. Okay. Okay, now let's save this part. So let's go to File, Save, or Save As. Now let's save as a cylinder-5. Press this. Okay, and now to finish this part we need to add some electrical connection points. So let's change to the workbench, electrical. Let's go to equipment, electrical harness discipline, electrical part design. Okay, when you're here, we need to tell CATIA this part is going to be it's going to be a mounting equipment, an equipment, a shell, a connector, a contact, a filer plug, back shell, or a protection part. I'm going to tell CATIA this is going to be an equipment. Yes, I'm going to select it. It's telling me if I want to change the name. I'm going to keep the same name, just press OK. And you can see here at the end of the tree we have some publications. So, and you can see here the icon change. So after that we can add some electrical connection points, but to do that I need to create a point here and here. So let me change to the Power Design workbench. I'm going to select the point. I'm going to create a point on this surface. So I'm going to click the surface. I'm going to change here point type is going to be on surface, and on the distance it takes the center of the circle. So I'm going to put 0 to keep in the middle. Now we have a point here on the center of the circle, and I'm going to do the same for this side. So I'm going to select the point, select the surface, put 0, press enter. Okay, let me change again to the electrical part design. Okay, with that, now we need to create an electrical connection for the wires. So let's go to this command is to define a connector point. This one is for a bundle connection point, is the one we needed. This one is for a cavity, back shell, and shell. But right now we're going to use the bundle connection point. So let's select it, and we're going to create it on this side. So let's select here. We can change the name of the connection point, but I like to keep the default. So we need to select our representation is going to be this face on this point on this initial condition. Just press OK. And you can see here now we have electrical and bundle connection point and phase generation bundle connection point. And let's do the same for this side. So let's select bundle connection point on this connector, on this part, on this phase, on this point, and on this phase, and press OK. Now we have 2 electrical connection points for bundles. Okay, with that we're finished with this part. So let's save it. Don't forget, you can put save. Now we save the part. So I'm going to finish the video here. I'm going to continue in the next video. So guys, take care. Bye.